Good morning. Today we are at the Fernald Deck Preserve. Decided to take about a 3-mile loop. It's been a little bit rainy today, but I think it's going to break. This is a beautiful area. We're going to do about a 3-mile loop around the preserve. Quite remote. It's on a little peninsula outside of Camden. So Margot and I are going to take a little bit of a walk and see some of the sights. We'll show you along the way. Alright, so we're about a quarter of a mile into our hike. Lesson number 1. Don't be so excited to get on the trail that you forget to spray yourself with DEET and insect repellent, because right now I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes. Margot was smart. She actually brought her rain jacket, rain pants. She's having a great hike. Me, on the other hand, I'm fighting these blood-sucking insects that just want to feast on me. So for now, hopefully I'll make it through and be able to show you some more. Otherwise I'll be food for the mosquitoes. Alright, we're about a half mile in. Looks like we've emerged out into the lake. That is, I believe, Mount Maguntacook behind me, and I'll show you some views. right, so we're about, I guess about 2 miles into our hike. Taking a little break. We're getting ready to go, I think, skirt through a little bog. Mosquitoes kind of calmed down just a little bit. Light drizzle, I think, stopped them from getting to me, but I have killed my fair share. We may cut this a little bit short by about a mile. There's another orange blaze trail up here, and depending on how we're doing and how mosquitoes are, we may cut a little bit short. But other than that, we will continue and show you some sights. Alright, looks like we're probably getting close to the end of our blue section and our orange section hike in the Fernald Neck Preserve here a little bit west of Camden. Again, it was about a 3-mile loop. Very nice. It kind of moved its way through this beautiful pine needle forest. A little bit of a drizzly day today, but it actually, whoop, that was a slip. It actually made for the mosquitoes coming out and kind of wanting to eat you. But they seem to have calmed down here a little bit. And so we're making our way into the final section of the Orange Blaze back to the parking lot. The preserve was created by the Cold Mountain Land Trust. And again, trying to preserve a lot of this area up here from development. And again, they've done a very nice job of maintaining the trails. It looks like a lot of the blowdowns have been cut recently because the sawdust is still on the trail. So hats off to the folks that maintain these trails. Was able to show you some views of the lake that we're going near. Didn't get a chance to show you too much of the bogs. There just wasn't any access to that area. But I wanted to show you a little bit of that. It seemed like the mosquitoes picked up when we got near the bogs. But we keep kind of going in and out of the woods here. I'm not quite sure how the video captures the low light conditions. But that's another feature of editing that I wanted to kind of look at as I play around with this camera. And again, I apologize to all of you who are watching, who will be watching, because I'm learning this process as I'm learning these trails. I'm so happy to be out here with Margot. She is doing a wonderful job of keeping my spirits up with wanting to record and showing me things. She seems to capture things that I don't even see. Slugs and flowers, and here she is with another thing to capture a picture of, and I'll turn it around and show you here real quick.
There's another slug. Slug. This camera's shy.
So again, I'm not quite sure. I don't know how she sees this stuff, but she does. We were just at another nature preserve, and she found so many things that I didn't even see. So thanks to her, we're able to at least capture some pictures and some footage that otherwise we'd be missing. So it looks like we're coming up on the lake here. I know when we got near the end, the lake was going to be on our right. And so I'm going to kind of flip this around here, kind of show you the views as we approach them. And we'll take a step out here with you, and let's see what we can see. right, so we're finishing up the Fernald Neck Preserve here in Camden, Maine. Just got back out to the trailhead, and beautiful day. We are going to maybe look at some of the other preserves sponsored by the Coastal Mountains Land Trust. Either that, or we're going to go in and see if we can maybe hang out at the library for a couple hours and see if we can edit some of these videos and post them to the YouTube channel, Lakes, Trails, and Nature Tales, so that the family and friends can follow. But we're going to make that decision here in a little bit and get right back with you. So take care. Thanks for joining us on this hike, and have a wonderful day.